Alright. Let's get from this. Swear I'm gonna be doing this. Alright. Hey guys, it's Marie, and today we're gonna try to attempt to do the 10-minute freaking challenge. Doing her makeup, you know, because I'm going to the kitchen today, and you know, you gotta look cute. Social distancing. Alright, so we're gonna put a freaking timer. Her hair's a little messy. She took a shower. God, what? Alright, let's get ready. Okay, so this is literally pretend that we have only 10 minutes and I'm just grabbing my stuff from my stuff. So normally I do my freaking brows, alright? So we're gonna try to do that. Put everything away. Just act like we don't have 10 freaking minutes. Yes, and I'm breaking out per usual, you know. Sorry if I'm not talking throughout the video, because we don't know if this is gonna be a fail or not. Okay, how are you? Good?
No.
Alright, it's fine. We get it, sis. We're all going through it today. I've been breaking out. I got my period, you know. TMI, I know. TMI. The thing about the 10-minute makeup challenge is that you accomplish something, you know, at least you're doing. The main goal right now is to have a good base. I'm panicking, I had coffee. By the way, I did not know what to film today. I want to say sorry to my friends, especially Camille and Catherine, for telling me to film a video, but I never had the balls to just do it, you know? Until freaking today. So I challenge everyone to do the 10-minute makeup challenge. This challenge is so old. It's alright. BB cream for the win. But trying to, I don't know, my skincare routine has changed so much the past few months because ever since my birthday basically, because I haven't had the time to just, you know, prep my skin and stuff like that. So comment down below what's your favorite, you know, favorite skincare products and like good toners, because I need to exfoliate my skin. And like, you know, we're getting older. How much? Dude, it's been 3 minutes, bruh. And I'm freaking breaking. And also for like, I don't want to try new products if I'm gonna just break out, you know. Oh god. But trust me, it will be better at the end. If this video ends up messing up and I end up not having any time for myself, then this is gonna be a fail and I'm just gonna keep going with the video, alright? So I'm sorry about that. You probably think this video is gonna be only 10 minutes, but I'm really trying to do a video today. I should have asked questions too because I have no idea what to do. Let's see. Questions. How's everything? How's everything at home? I hope you guys are doing well with school, family, cleaning up, you know, spring cleaning. So I know I'm spending too much time blending this out, but I'm gonna use this concealer by Makeup Revolution. It's a nice concealer. Looks like that. Look at it. It's super cute. And it's supposed to have like salicylic acid. Is that how you pronounce it? Because I be breaking out coverage for my dark spots. Yes, Jella is freaking here. You'll see her. Yes. Yes, Jella.
It's workout time.
So I'm doing a 10-minute makeup challenge right now, and I know I'm failing. I don't freaking care. Alright, alright. It ends up not doing well, then I tried. I'm gonna use this palette. I heard that letting that skin. Jella, what are you trying to show your booty off for?
Oh.
I have 5 minutes and I swear I'm not gonna have time. I'm not even going anywhere. But why not, you know? Still gotta do your makeup.
Classy.
I'm using salted caramel and milk chocolate on the crease. And then I'm gonna use, oh my gosh.
You're not even gonna upload this.
You don't believe me?
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Okay. Alright, I didn't bring any
Sassy,
brushes.
moody, nasty.
whatever, I guess.
What's
Alright, I use the Makeup Revolution palette, which I'm probably not gonna show you guys. What are you doing?
dancing?
Oh god, I feel miserably with this. Jella, you better not start your freaking workout right now. Like, dude, I am filming a video,
I'm
dude.
gonna do my ultimate core workout for the day.
I only have 3 minutes. You see what I go through? Bro. Alright, so after putting that concealer, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. 10-hour Camel concealer on top of the concealer that I already put. So I'm gonna have ultimate coverage. Well, I'm gonna see how long this lasts. This is 10 hours. That's impossible. Tati Beauty said that this concealer is supposed to be good, but not to put on like blemishes because you break out like horribly. 10-minute makeup challenge failed. So sorry, but you could get ready with me still. You know what I like? This song called it's called it's just.
No, I can't.
God, this concealer did not do its justice. She is still peeking through. Really, Tita? She called me, bruh? Sorry about that. Alright, I freaking fail. So, this is a finished 10-minute makeup challenge look. I'm just gonna finish it, you know? I'm just gonna finish this video with a bang because I failed. But it's okay to fail, you know? Sometimes it's just... Oh my gosh, what more can I mess up on?
Oh my gosh, I'm picking my boogers in the video. I'm picking my boogers in that video. I'm a savage. Classy. Are you live?
Hello? Look at Jello trying to work out, bruh. I'm your biggest fan.
Who is that?
Look, I'm filming a video right now, sir. So, shout out to... Oh, well, obviously you can't see them. Ooh. Yeah, shout out to Camille and Kenny and Linda and Catherine if she's watching this video, but she's not. I'm trying to film a video for Camille, okay?
Uncomfortable.
Yvonne, are you here?
Standing up.
Didn't say.
Single squat.
Hello! You're doing your makeup. Oh wait, let me show you. Wait, everyone. Look who it is. Let me focus on her. I know you guys miss her so much. Hey, Yvonne, remember when we filmed that video when we were like freshmen? Oh my gosh, Fenty Beauty. Oh, I should include this in the video. Wait, just a sec. How do I do it? Pause because you weren't using the app. Oh my gosh. My phone freaking died and Yvonne's probably really sad. Oh, my god. I'll say shout out to everyone who went on live with me because I should be working out too, but girl doesn't.
Alright, 50-second rest.
It's cool I could hear her breathing.
Explosive.
Just using my lash glue. This is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe vera.
Remember to keep the neck nice and long.
How long is this workout?
Alright guys, you can take
She's not done yet. She's not done with her workout yet. Alright, moving on forward for our brush and powder and just set our face. My eyes are really bugging me right now because they're too long.
Thank you so much.
Ooh, I feel it.
I'm hurting out there.
Jella, let me get some noise back there. She's crazy. I'm gonna be using the NYX matte bronzer. Bronze up my face.
Bro, this...
If I do upload this video. Who's the one who decided to... I'm gonna take my Morphe palette just to put some blush. Goals. Mixed with Unapologetic.
No, heck no.
Maybe a little bit on the nose. Hard though.
Too fast.
Well, it's because she knows the workout already. I'm gonna be using this lipstick right here, Wet n Wild, in the shade Sand Nude. You know. Oh yes. All right. Yeah. How this freaking looks.